Today we work on some network infrastructure on the homestead, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Offgrid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video. On the homestead in the wood we have put network cables between all the houses. As I have built the battery monitor for the ATV that needs wireless network, we have to start to extend the wireless network. We are also changing some camera location with each other so we can get better picture quality in low light. We start by replacing the existing camera in the garage. To be able to connect both a wireless access point and the camera, we need a switch. I will be using leftover stuff for this project. So the switch that we are using don't contain any PoE, that's power over Ethernet. We have to use a PoE injector. The nice thing about the injector is that we don't need to power the cameras with a separate cable. It goes through the network cable. It's a lot of cables, but I will clean it up as soon as everything works like it should. Not only do we get wireless access for monitoring the battery, we now got the ability to live stream from my mobile in the garage, and that may come in handy. The battery monitor that I have built myself have been running for about 2 weeks now without any problems. I'm very satisfied with the software in it. Now I have a proof of concept, so I will try to package it in a nice box and see if anyone is interested in it. If you would like more details about how to set up a network at your homestead, please leave a comment and we can do a dedicated video about that. That's it for this time, and I'll see you next week.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.